Hello everyone, my name is Dan from ZenTek Consultants, and in today's video blog we're going to discuss a crucial feature in Bluebeam Revu, which is known as snapping. This tool helps achieve precision and accuracy in marking up our PDFs. We're going to delve into the distinctions between two snapping modes, snapping to content and snapping to markup, and we'll aim to provide you with practical insights for optimizing your workflow. Now, before we get into the details, let's clarify what snapping entails. This tool facilitates the precise positioning of markups on your PDF drawings. It ensures that markups align properly with your intended locations, like using a virtual ruler. So snapping in Bluebeam is very simple to do. There is one button to turn on each snapping function, and they exist side by side. These buttons are located in the status bar on the bottom of your screen in Bluebeam. As you can see, I have the status bar down below. If you do not know how to open the status bar, you can navigate to the Tools drop-down, open up Toolbars, and just make sure that the status bar is selected on. Now, towards the bottom right-hand side of our status bar, we will have a few different icons. The Snap to Content icon is the third icon from the left. So let's start with this one first. We're going to toggle this on. Now, snapping to content involves aligning your markups with the content of your PDF, such as lines or shapes. PDF content is what we're looking at in the background of our PDF. So in this case, my floor plan is my PDF content. And since I have the Snap to Content on, I can take any one of my markups, so I'll just take a standard polyline. And from here, you can see how my cursor automatically snaps to the lines of my floor plan. So I can zoom all the way out and still have the ability to snap to my two corners here. As you can see, when I zoom in, my line snapped directly to the corner point. And it's because I had the Snap to Content on. Snapping to Content guarantees alignment with the original elements of your PDF. Now, moving on to snapping to markup. The difference here is that snapping to markup allows aligning new markups with existing markups. So in order to turn the Snap to Markup on, we're going to navigate again to our status bar down below. And the fourth icon from the left is our Snap to Markup. We're just going to toggle this on. Now when I select an additional markup, not only do I have the ability to snap to my PDF content, but I can snap directly to my markups. So if I wanted to create an arrow pointing to my initial markup, I can snap directly to that line. And there you have it. Bluebeam snapping tools are vital for precision. Choose the mode that suits your workflow, snapping to content for accurate alignment with original PDF elements, or snapping to markup for accurate alignment with existing markups. Utilize the steps that I've given you today to employ these snapping tools effectively in Bluebeam, enhancing your project's accuracy and efficiency. And if you're interested in more Bluebeam training, check out our website at www.zentekconsultants.net.